Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Camille Chanel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my minimalist makeup routine. 5 products in 5 minutes or less. So if you're a busy girl or a lazy girl, or you're just not into makeup that much, just trying to do something right quick, this video is for you. I gained a lot of experience in doing my makeup on the fly with little to nothing from being in the military. Everything was chop, 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 hurry, hurry, hurry. So I didn't really have time to get as cute as I wanted to be. Not like that was the time or place to want to be cute, but I was 17, like, what do I know? I'm bringing this to you, my routine for a quick, natural, 5 product, full face in less than 5 minutes. Let's do it. So the first product I'm gonna start off with is my concealer. This is the Caramel Almond Concealer by Collab. I picked this up at Sally's. I've been using this stuff quite a bit now. I very much like it. It goes on very smooth. It blends in well with my skin. And you're gonna see that I'm only applying this in my under eye area. I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender to blend it out. As I'm blending it, I'm kind of bringing it down a little bit to kind of blend it into my complexion. Okay, after concealing, I go in with an all-over face powder. This is the Instant Retouch Setting Powder by Fenty in the shade Cashew. And I just take this and I basically powder my whole face, just blending everything in. Moving on to my next step. This is the Blogger Bronzer by Morphe. Just gonna use this as an eyeshadow. So still with my Morphe Blogger Bronzer, just with a different brush. Oh yeah, you knew I was coming for this nose. I'll see it coming together. Eyeliner. This is the Sephora eyeliner. It's just black. I'm gonna do this off cam because I'm scared. Got my eyeliner on, both eyes lined up. Last but not least, this is the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and that's how we're topping this off. There you have it, Cam Fam. A semi-full face in less than 5 minutes using only 5 products. Let me tell you guys, the most important thing to a great makeup routine is an even better skincare routine. So part of making your natural makeup look so natural is taking care of your skin. If you need help finding a great skincare routine, you can check out my skincare videos. So if you're out there on the market for a quick, easy, soft, natural, minimalist routine, this routine is for you. I got you. What more could a girl ask for? What more could a busy, better yet, a lazy girl ask for? Lazy girl's delight, right? Thanks for hanging out with me in today's video. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Bye.